In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit block in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by selecting the block you want to change. You can simply double-click the block to open it in the block editor, or right-click and choose Block Editor or Edit Block Definition from the context menu. Both actions move you out of the normal drawing environment and into a focused editing mode specifically for that block. Use the method that feels fastest for you. Double-click if you like direct interaction, or right-click when you prefer the menu path. When the block editor opens, you'll notice the rest of the drawing is grayed out. That's intentional. It keeps background geometry visible for reference, but prevents accidental edits outside the block. Inside this special workspace, you can add new geometry, delete unwanted elements, or modify existing lines, arcs, text, and attributes. Common edits include moving grip points, stretching parts of the geometry, changing layer assignments, or adjusting attribute text. Take advantage of all the usual drafting tools while you're here. Trim, extend, offset, and grips behave the same as in model space, but your changes are confined to the block definition. A useful tip before you start editing: remember that changing a block definition updates every instance of that block in your drawing. If you need one instance to look different without affecting the others, either make a copy and redefine that copy, or use the block editor only when you want the change to be global. Also, watch for attributes and annotative settings. Editing attribute values differs from changing the attribute definition itself, so be mindful if you need to adjust how attributes are displayed. When you've finished your changes, save or discard them with the controls on the Block Editor ribbon. Click the green checkmark to save and exit, or click the X to discard your edits. You can also type B close at the command line. AutoCAD will prompt you to save changes before closing. If you choose to save, all block instances will refresh to reflect the new definition. If you discard, nothing is changed, and you return to the main drawing as it was. Finally, after saving, pan and zoom around your drawing to confirm the updates applied correctly. If something isn't right, reopen the block and make additional tweaks. Editing blocks is powerful and safe when you stay in the block editor, so take your time and use reference geometry to keep your edits precise.